With the available 12.3-inch color touchscreen, drivers can take advantage of a customizable layout and easy control of audio functions, vehicle settings, and the navigation system. The touchscreen is divided into A and B zones. The A zone is the main touchscreen, where you'll find all your apps. The B zone allows you to view additional information. Swipe up or down to view different cards, including audio source, clock, compass, and navigation. Press the Home button and swipe through the home screens to browse the apps. Tap and hold a home screen app to open customizing mode. You can drag and drop apps to reposition them on the home screen or move them to another screen. To remove an app from the home screen, simply drag it to hide at the top of the screen. Press Home or Back to return to the home screen. Shortcut keys are found to the left of the A zone. Use them to access the most used controls. To customize shortcuts, tap and hold the home screen app to open customizing mode. Select Edit Shortcuts, then drag and drop the icon. Select Home or Back to return to the home screen. Note that some shortcuts cannot be edited, such as Home and Back. At the top of the B zone, you'll find the status bar. Press it to view system status in the A zone. System status lets you view recent vehicle system messages. Select an item to see the details. When finished, select Home or Back. Choose the Clock Settings tab to adjust the clock, including the time format.